Billi! How are you today? I'm doing great! So today we're going to learn about two really cool things. The first thing is monster truck! Wow! And the second thing we're going to learn about is numbers! Wow! This is going to be so much fun! I can't wait! So here we go! These monster trucks are so amazing! They're so big, colorful, and loud! Wow! The monster trucks are going up the hills like this, and then they fly! Come on kids, let's do it together! Come on! So let's do it together! Look! The monster trucks are going up the hills to fly! Woo! And then they go down. So, shall we learn some numbers and monster trucks together? Yes? One.
Yay!
Two.
Yay!
Three.
Yay!
Four.
Yay!
Five.
Yay!
Six.
Yay!
Seven.
Yay!
Eight.
Yay!
Nine.
Yay!
10.
Yay!
Wow, those monster trucks are amazing and numbers are so much fun. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 monster trucks around us. Wow. So let's count with me. Come on, one more time. Let's do it together. Come on. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whoa, 10 monster truck. This is so much fun. Thank you so much for watching and joining me. So if you want to learn more with me, Billi, the only things you have to do is just search my name, Billi. Let's spell my name together. B-I-L-L-I. Yeah! Hey, if you like that, then please like it. If you loved it, then go and subscribe. Just touch here. Yeah, go on. If you want to watch another fun video, just go and touch down there. Yeah. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.